In this video, we're going to find the square root of 0.25. Now, maybe you've not done square root of decimals yet, but in this case here, it should look a little bit familiar. Like, I wonder if the answer to this is similar to the answer of square root of regular 25. Well, that is going to be the strategy that we're going to use here. So remember, square roots is asking the question, what number times itself, or what number squared equals, in this case, 25. We can find that right on the diagonal of our multiplication table. So here we go. So that's going to make 5, because 5 times 5, or 5 squared, is 25. So now that we moved the decimal place over 2 spots for our substitute type question here, now we got to move the decimal place back over the other direction. So we moved it 2 spots to the right. So to find our answer, we move it 1 spot to the left. And we'll get into why that is later on in the video, but if this is all you need, there's your answer there, because 0.5 squared equals 0.25. Now, with those decimals, here's why it moves 2 spots and then 1 spot, right? To go to 0.25 to 25, right? We move the decimal place 2 spots to the right. So that's multiplying by 100. But remember, these are square rooted numbers. So it's a square root of 100 that we multiply by to move that decimal place 2 spots to the right. So after we have the answer to our substitute type question there, now we need to move the decimal place back over the other direction. Well, how many spots? Well, in this case here, remember that square root of 100 equals regular 10. These are square rooted numbers, so we multiply by a square rooted number. These are regular numbers, so we're going to multiply or divide by a regular number here. So to undo this multiply by square root of 100, we're going to undo that with a divide by 10. Divide by 10 means move the decimal 1 spot to the left.